Good morning, children. So, at 3 for all lesson, we are writing the bits A, B, C, D, E, F. Bits completed. Now, today we are writing G bit. Okay, all of you open your textbooks. Page number 38. Okay, yesterday we finished whale, wheel, whistle. W-H-A-L-E, whale, W-H-E-L, wheel, W-H-I-S-T-L-E, whistle. Okay. So see here, a bit not completed or completed. Name the pictures, use words from the box. Here only have the boxes, the words you have to write. See and write. Okay. Next. So G bit, add ed to the words within the brackets and fill in the blanks. Just you have to add ed. So here one conversation given, filling the blanks also given, and the inside the brackets some words also given. Just we have to add the ed to that word. So one example also given. You have to observe the picture first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 children have, animals also have. So here elephant and 2 monkeys, 2 birds, and here 1 sparrow. Okay, and one chair also, like bench. Okay, children also playing under the banyan tree. Okay, the hanging roots also have, they are hanging the monkeys. Okay, have to observe the picture. Add ed to the words within the brackets and fill in the blanks. Okay, so related the picture, the conversation given, so fill in the blanks also given. You have to find out. Okay, children. G bit. Add ed to the words. Add ed to the words within the brackets and fill in the blanks. Within the brackets and fill in the blanks. Okay, first one. The elephant lifted his trunk. Here bracket first example here only given lifted. Lift ed adding means lifted. Okay. So lift already given in the bracket, we have to add the ed. His trunk and dash some leaves. He then dash on them for a long time. Pull, lift, chew. Okay. So here 3 words in the bracket given. We have to add ed to that words. So that turn into another word. Okay. Here the elephant lifted his trunk. So elephant trunk like that only have no. So lifted his trunk. The elephant trunk like that only have. He lifted his trunk. Why? Because upside what have the leaves of banyan. He eats the leaves of banyan. He like banyan leaves. So that's why he lifted his trunk. And here pull, chew. First he wants to pulled. Okay, pull ed when we are reading the when we are adding the ed word to the pull means pulled. So pulled. Pulled means lagadam. Okay, lifted that elephant trunk and pulled the leaves. Pulled some leaves. The leaves, it will catch the leaves. Pulled, catched. Okay, afterwards he then, what is that? Chew. Doing like this means namaladam. Okay, so chewing. Leaves eating, that is called chewing. chewing like this. Okay. Next, granny dash under the banyan tree and dash to music. Listen, rest. So here granny, grandma dash under the banyan tree. Listened or rested? Rest when we are adding the ed means rested. Rested under the banyan tree and listened the music. The granny listening the music here. Oh, she is the granny. She won the headset, musical instrument set Hannah headset. Okay, so headset saying no. So she listening the music, listened. So listened. Ed adding means listened the music. She's listened the music. Okay. Rested under the banyan tree and listened the music. Okay. Listen to music. Next. What is the third one? The birds. Dash while the monkeys dash here dash from branch to branch so jump chip two words given in the bracket. Okay, what is that? The birds jumped or chirped. Words, sounds making no birds. Chirped. Okay, so chirped. chirp. When we are adding the ed means chirped. Okay, so here the birds chirped. Not here. Okay, here chirped while the monkeys jumped. Here monkeys have jumped. Okay, jumped. Capital letter, not small letter. Jumped, chirped. The birds chirped while the monkeys jumped from branch to branch. Here, chirping these birds and jumping the monkeys. The granny listening to the music, their children playing. Okay. So the elephant pulled the banyan leaves. Chewed. Okay. Lifted, pulled, chewed, rested, listened, chirped, jumped. Okay. These all are ed words. Okay. So you have to complete this bit. Afterwards you have to write the H bit. What is that? Change these today words into yesterday words. Drop the Y and add IED to the words. So you have to remove the word letter Y and you have to add the IED. So today words into yesterday words means past tense. We have to that past words write into present words. Today words means present words. Past words means yesterday words. We have to change the sentence into present tense into past tense. Okay. So you have to write like that. Hurry. hurried, carry, carried, tried, tried, dried, dried, cry, cried, study, studied. So here you have to write like that. Change these today words into yesterday words. So write that H bit. Change these today words into yesterday words. Drop the Y. Add IED to the words. To the words. First one, hurry. So you have to write HURR. Why you have to cut that Y and you have to write IED. So you have to cut the drop the Y and add IED. Okay, drop that Y, remove that Y and add IED. So hurry, that is the present word. It turns into past word. What is that? Hurried. Okay, HURRIED. Hurried. Okay, hurry, hurried. So here don't cut. In your mind you have to cut. Okay. Second one, carry. 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 So like that only you have to write carry. CARRY. Instead of Y you have to write IED. Carried. Next, try. 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 TR. Don't write Y. IED. Tried. Okay. IED. Tried. Okay. Third one completed. Next, fourth. Dry. 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 So instead of Y you have to write IED. BRIED. Dried. Okay. Next, cry. IED. Cried. 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 Okay. Next, study. Study. Studied. Studied. Instead of Y, IED had to write. Studied. Hurried, carried, tried, dried, cried, studied. So, present tense word turn into past words. Hurry, hurried, carry, carried, study, studied. Okay? So, cry, cried, like that. So, next listen and speak. Just you have to listen and speak. Listening and speaking skills you have to improve that. This bit yours purpose only given. Your teacher will read out some incomplete sentences. Tick the words that will complete the sentences. Some incomplete sentences and some complete sentences have. So you have to tick the complete sentences only. Swings. Swings. So swings. You have to tick that swings. Okay. Yeah, next. find it. First one, tick the complete sentences words only. Okay, tick that complete sentences words. Tick the words that will complete the sentences. Words that will complete the sentences. Swings, swings, okay, swings, swings. Second one, eat, seed. Fruits, fruits. Play, say. Play, say. So when you are listening the word totally completed means you have to tick that. Swims, okay, swims, swings, swings is the complete sentences, okay. Eat, seat, eat is the complete sentence. Roots, fruits, fruits is the complete sentence. This is say, play is the complete sentence, say not, play, say. So when you are listen the words complete means you have to tick like that, okay. Next, work with your partner. Spot 8 differences between picture A and picture B. You have to find out that picture A and picture B. Some things missing in the picture B. See here, picture A have all things. Some things missing the picture B. Which things are missing? You have to circle it. Stop 8 differences. Work with your partner. Spot 8 differences between picture A and picture B. Just you have to circle it. What is that? See here. Teacher have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 children have. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 children have. So here nest and one bird have. Nest and one bird have. So here duck have. Ducklings 1, 2, 3. Here fishes. 4 fishes have. 1 duckling. 1 only. Okay. So here fishes and ducklings. 1 water fountain also have in this picture. Water fountain. Okay. So in this picture here not there. Duckling not there. Fishes not there. Water fountain not there. Here one bottle have no orange bottle. Here also not there. 1, 2, 3 only have the flowers. Here 4 flowers have. That is also missing. So here teacher have the spectacles. First picture. Here not there spectacles. Glasses. Okay, next in that book also she is showing tree. Here sun, clouds, mountains, so and so. In this big book empty. Here all have. Here squirrel also have. In this picture not have. Okay, this girl, fourth girl worn orange skirt. Here red skirt worn. That is the differentiation. Okay, different. Here it have na. See picture. You may begin like this. The fountain is missing in picture B. Partner, the squirrel is missing in picture B. You have to write like that. The spectacles of a teacher. The teacher's spectacles missing in that picture B. Like that you have to write. The duckling of a duckling of picture B. In that duckling is missing in the picture B. Okay, the fishes are missing in that picture B. Like the girl worn orange skirt in the picture B. The flower is missing in the picture B. 3 only have. The 4th flower missing. Like that you have to write. So tomorrow I will write on the board, okay? So today enough. You have to learn the picture this G bit and H bit. Okay, just you have to learn and write G and H bits. Homework you have to take this. Learn and write fourth lesson G and H bits. G comma H bits. Okay.